The look of the box is really premium. It offers a real clean finish and presentation overall outside. The FIFINE mic comes with a user manual, which helps you set up the mic from start to finish. This particular model comes with a USB-C cable, which is 2 meters long, and it comes with a cable strap to help you keep organized and keep it at the length you need. Let's take a look at the mic overall and what it offers. The base of the mic is a RGB ring, which offers multiple light modes and can be changed on the mic itself with no software needed. The premium windshield offers great quality and cuts off sounds on the outside should you hear a fan or maybe your PC and some small sounds around you. It has 2 dials on the microphone itself. One is for the headphone volume and the other is for the input volume on the mic itself, which is the gain volume. The mic holder and base is solid metal, which is great for weight. Underneath the base, there's a non-slip rubber mat. The tap to mute button is a great feature FIFINE installed for this mic itself. It's really convenient, easy to use, and should you have a call or talk to someone next to you, you can simply tap the mute button and untap it when you're done. The input options for the FIFINE AM8 is both USB-C and XLR. FIFINE does offer a boom arm, which you can buy separately. I'm really impressed with FIFINE's quality in this mic. It goes the extra mile when it comes to providing quality that fits your budget. At around $45 on Amazon or 2,000 Rand on Takeout for you South Africans. I'm currently using the FIFINE mic so you can hear the quality of the mic and how it sounds. That's all for today, guys. I'll check you in the next unboxing with White Glove.